In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We're going to keep this simple and practical by turning on dark mode through the inbox and the themes panel. If you work late or just prefer a low-glare workspace, this quick change can make ClickUp much easier on the eyes while keeping everything familiar. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace and head to Inbox. Inbox is where your notifications and assigned updates live, and it's an easy jumping-off point for adjusting appearance because the top and side interface areas are always visible here. You can get to Inbox from the main navigation. Look for the Inbox label in your sidebar. Once you're in, give the page a second to load so all the controls are active. Next, locate the Themes option. This is the shortcut to appearance settings without digging into deeper menus. Depending on your current layout, you'll typically find themes in the Quick Settings area, often near the lower left sidebar or within the menu that opens from your profile or settings icon. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so the option is visible. Click Themes to open the Appearance panel. This panel is designed to be lightweight, so it appears instantly and shows a few clear choices without overwhelming you. Now, choose Dark. Click the Dark option, and your interface will switch immediately. You'll see background surfaces deepen to charcoal or black, text shift to lighter tones for readability, and borders and dividers adjust for better contrast. The change is applied across your workspace, not just in Inbox, so when you navigate to tasks, dashboards, or docs, the theme follows you. Because the switch is instant, take a quick look around the screen to confirm everything is comfortable. Check task titles, due dates, and any color-coded labels to make sure they remain legible. Dark mode in ClickUp is designed to keep important accents visible, so priority flags and status chips continue to stand out. A couple of quick tips as you settle in. If you're working in a bright room and notice reflections, dark mode often helps cut glare. In dim environments, it reduces eye strain during longer sessions. The theme choice is saved to your account, so the next time you sign in, you'll stay in dark mode without doing anything else. And if you ever need to match your system appearance or return to a lighter look, you can come back to the same themes panel and make the change just as quickly. That's it. Go to Inbox, open Themes, and select Dark. Enjoy your refreshed, focused ClickUp experience.